Oh my god. On Hello View, you might be wondering, what is, oh my god, what is this mystery channel you clicked on that was named Mr. Doge? Well, I don't know how to explain it, but I'm gonna be like, woo! In my videos, and so y'all better be prepared. It's gonna be a heck of a time, my friends. Okay, but whatever. What I wanted to say was, you should subscribe, and you know how I know you're not subscribed? I'm just guessing. Ow. Well, please, if you're free to subscribe, you like, ah! And more like, I sound like an owl. Well, but wait, what you're asking? Oh, you're getting tired of your old Roblox YouTubers that are like, wee. Well, no further. Come join me in my adventures with all my friends that I make fun of, and then I just make stuff, and then I just go to games, and I don't know what I'm doing. But this is my channel. Please subscribe. Oh my. Ugh. Oh! I fell off of my chair! But welcome to my channel. If you're free to subscribe and stuff. So I don't boss y'all around, but I'm stupid. This channel's stupid. But if you can subscribe, that'll be great. And when you hit that subscribe button, this always happens. I'm so sorry. I forgot to tell y'all who am I. I am Bako. You might know me as Bako. You might know me as Bako. You might know me as Mr. Doge. You might know me as Dog Poo Poo. Don't. Please don't. I swear this is a threat. It's not. Don't call me that. Please don't. I'm serious. I'm not responding to that. But if y'all interested in watching some new funny content, well, click on the subscribe button. Don't click it that hard. Y'all seen how the explosion went around? Hey, foop, 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 foop. And if y'all want to try out the game I'm playing with, killing people, also I get scared really easily. Hey, bro. I got you. This is a threat. Ow. Subscribe. Okay. Bye. I know you're not subscribed. Oh.